Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming this morning. As you know that we had changed the law about a couple of years ago where we had allowed under the new laws individuals, upstanding citizens of our country who could actually become marriage celebrants. Traditionally in Fiji we have people from religious organizations who are marriage celebrants, but of course there are other individuals in society who can become marriage celebrants. And one of the reasons why we wanted to do that is because there's obviously a demand for the services of marriage celebrants outside the normal hours. Some people want to, for example, go and get married on an island. There are tourists who come in and want to get married, for example, at 6 p.m. at sunset. Or somebody wants to get married in a garden, or somebody wants to get married at midnight, whatever the case may be. Or somebody wants to, get married somewhere in the interior of, Dakondrove. So we need to have more people available to carry out these types of services. Apart from the fact that Fiji is a tourism destination, in particular for marriages, we want more people to come to Fiji to get married and to know that the services available of a celebrant is available everywhere and at any time, and carried out by people who are of upright standing. Similarly, we have Fijians now who do want to get married at different locations. Some people, for example, want to have a church service but then want to go and have the actual vows taken in a garden somewhere, or want to go to the family island or where the father comes from. So these are the types of services that's required. And we are very glad this morning to announce the applications of 4 individuals that have been approved. As you know, so far we've had 2 applications. The individuals pay a $3,000 application fee. They get vetted both through various security checks and police, etc., and whether they're upstanding citizens in our country. And of course they're able to then charge services for their fees. Charge fees for the services. So we have with us today Mr. Iqbal Hussain of Vunimoli in Lambasa, Mr. Kaliova Bainivalu of Lasilas in Singatoka, Mr. Apisai Vasu, a well-known tourism personality who's also won various awards, and of course Mrs. Miriama Sokosoko. Both of them are from Plantation Island Resort. Work there. As you know, Plantation does have a lot of weddings. They of course are available to other resorts too and other locations within the Mamanudas that can use their services, and we encourage more people to do that. We have also arranged with the Ministry of Tourism and Tourism Fiji to put up the contact numbers and the contact details of all of these 4 individuals. The other 2 individuals who are also available, put up their contact details on the webpage, and also tell the other hotels that these individuals are available. And of course tell the public too, so their services get readily used and available. So that's the short ceremony, because I think it's very important for people in Fiji to know. Some of you may not be married and you want to get married in botanical gardens, so you can use any of these 4 people. Or some of you want to get married again. Those services are also available. So with those few words, I'd like to congratulate them and also take this opportunity to give them individually their certificates. Maybe I can have that now. Mr. Iqbal Hussain. Thank you. Congratulations. These are good. Thank you. Thank you. Please have a seat.